Hi everybody, how are you? Today I will explain for you something important. I want to make an Android game. So it's very important to take care with your options. So I will go for build settings, okay? And here I will choose Android and I will switch platform because it was in using the Windows. I will switch from Windows to Android. I will switch my platform. Now he will update everything in the scene to apply the size of Android. Maybe my camera become horizontal or vector, whatever. Now it's the important step for my game. Everything now I will do, I will take the size of the mobile phone, Android phone, okay, and now I can start to build the game. From game object I can import my objects. For example, here 3D object, and here my cube. For example, I will enter this cube. I can see that the cube is very far, but if I want to see if my cube is in a good position or no, I must look here in position. I will choose the cube and I will look here in this position. I can see the position is not good, so I will make here in all, here 0 and here 0, okay, also here 0, okay. And also this my plan, I will make the plan, give the plan 0 0 0, okay. This is my camera. I can make the camera little up and I can make this camera with the red line like that to be down, okay. From here I can see the game and everything, okay. I want to make some scripts for this cube, but this cube is really, I couldn't, the cube is under the plan as you can see, so I will make it up little. Now I can see the cube, very good. If I want to make the camera near from my game, my player, I can do it here, okay. And here I can put the camera under player, so I can take the camera from here, main camera, and I can put it here in the player. When my player is moving like that, the camera will move with him. For example, I can see something like that. I can put another object like sphere, and here I will make it 0 0 0 like that, okay. And also I can add more spheres like that. I can duplicate, click, right click and duplicate, and here another one, right click and duplicate, and I will put here another one. So I will go for my camera. I can see everything here in the camera. If I will move my object, this object, and return back for my main camera, I can see that the other object is very near from me. So it will be important to understand that when I will move the camera, the player, this cube, I can see everything near or far using this camera, okay. Now it's okay. In the next time I will build my first script to make my cube moving in this area, so return back to you.